everyone and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you an Improvers Solo Club Style Cha-Cha practice routine number 11. Now this was originally taught during one of the online courses on the 15th of October 2020, and I know that is some time ago, but I've been going through all of the Cha-Cha channels and playlists across my website and YouTube and just trying to make sure that everything is okay. And I did recall that there was a couple of videos missing and I've identified them, so apologies for the length of time this has taken. However, here we are. This is a 7-bar routine. I'm going to use my notes because who can remember what they did 2.5 years ago, but let's go for it. So it starts with the basic 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. I'm going to the right side but for a left foot start on the grapevine just for half of the bar. 2, 3, 4, tap on 5. Fast Cuban breaks. 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and this way. Left foot V mambo. 2, 3, 4 and 5 for a left foot travelling turn. I'm then going to tap my right foot. 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's do that again. I think I might have an extra step just on the Cuban breaks. So mambo first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Yes, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Now, New York flares or step points going back. Left, point, right, point. So that'll be 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap, tap, Susie Q. 6, 7, 8 and 1. I'm going to do 360-degree spot turn. That's quite difficult because I need to go with my right foot here and I need to go 2, pivot around on 3, and on the 3.5 continue that on my left foot so that I'm facing the front for a right foot Susie Q. 4 and 5. And again, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. I've then got some bunny taps. 2, 3, 4, 5. And a very slow staggered lunge. 6 and 7, 8 and 1. And we'll put some effort into the side, or we would have done in the class when we performed it with the music. I've then got a toe heel and a back sailor. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And a double front tap. 6, 7 and another back sailor. 8 and 1. So those back sailors, they're a back ball change, but with a rotation. Start to look a little bit drunk. Okay, I'm going to do that again. Very, very slowly, bar by bar. Basic mambo. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Half a grapevine. 2, 3, 4, tap on 5. Fast Cuban breaks. 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Break forwards. 2, 3, left turn. 4 and 5. Tap 6, 7, 8, cross on 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Bar 5, we're turning. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Bunny taps. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 7, 8 and 1 for the lunge. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. There we go, guys. That is our Improvers Solo Club Style Cha-Cha practice routine number 11, which was somehow missing from the playlist. Actually, number 9 was missing as well. Had number 10, had number 8, but we didn't have 9 and 11, so I've just recorded that one as well. This one came up on the class on the 15th of October 2020, where is a full 90-minute class, and we did lots of things and exercises and then put a routine together. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for still watching me. If you're on my website, thank you so much. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe and help me grow the channel. And I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.